I guess you are already bombarded with all those spam mails of some unknown pack, from a random nerd virgin wannabe influencers, claiming a huge discount on products nobody really uses. As an artist, my ego went on beast mode and I said to myself, those failed humans are not better than you, they make money selling stupid stuff and you are living like a scumbag. You are right, I said. I have to make the best product and get rich. On the flip side, my laziness won, and I thought, it, I'd rather have a girlfriend. After 34 years of hard work, I ended up with this ultimate lazy pack. I finally made it. Some may think that there is nothing inside, but if you look closely, you can see that there is an unlimited amount of positive energy in thin air. Use your imagination, and you'll have limitless tools to become the next Scorsese, while I can finally buy my Lamborghini with zero efforts. For those who are still in the mood to support me, you can go to my Buy Me a Coffee page and buy this incredible non-existing product.